I've left out a methanol molecule that I made in the first video just to show you a molecule that has all single bonds. What I want to do is do a short little video that shows you how to make double bonds correctly. So what I'm going to make is ethene, CH2CH2 or C2H4 if you're looking at the formula. So we need 2 carbon atoms, and I'm going to take the 4 hydrogen atoms from this methanol molecule, and we'll set this aside. So that's our 4 hydrogen atoms. Now what we need is a way to make the double bond. So this is where you take two of the larger bonds. So just to give you an idea without showing you the whole kit, here's the short bond, here's the medium-sized bond, and here's the larger one. So we're going to use 2 of the larger ones. Attach one of the larger bonds to each of the carbon atoms, and then you do again the same thing. The gray bonds have a bit of flexibility, so the plastic has quite a bit of flexibility. Now, this is not necessarily something that looks exactly like a double bond, like an equal sign if you were to draw it out on paper. But this is the way that most model kits develop multiple bonds. And so we can attach all of the hydrogens. And so there is a double bond, C double bond C. Now what I'll do, just to show you, is I will make formaldehyde instead. So I'm going to take off the carbon atom and replace with an oxygen atom. And the oxygen atom fits in the same way. And then the oxygen would have its lone pair, so you wouldn't attach the 2 extra hydrogen atoms. So formaldehyde is CH2O, if you look at its formula. And that is a simple way to use a double bond to make a molecule. So we'll just leave it that one. I'll do a separate video for making a triple bond just to keep these short. So we'll see you at that next one.